In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Tradingview password. If you found yourself locked out of your account or simply need to update your password for security reasons, don't worry. I'm here to help you through the process with ease. Resetting your password can be a straightforward task, and I'll guide you every step of the way to ensure you regain access without any hassle. First up, you'll need to navigate to the sign-in page. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to tradingview.com. Once the web page has loaded, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the Sign In interface. Now, if you can't remember your current password or are unable to sign in, you should see an option that says Forgot Password or Can't Sign In. Click this link to begin the recovery process. Now that you've initiated the password recovery, it's time to request a reset link. Here, you'll be prompted to provide the email address, username, or phone number associated with your Tradingview account. It's essential to enter the correct information here to ensure the reset link reaches you without any delays. Once you've double-checked your input for any errors, go ahead and submit the form. Tradingview will then send you a reset link or a verification code, depending on the contact details you've provided. This will arrive via email or SMS, so keep an eye on your inbox or phone notifications. Next up is resetting your password. After submitting your details, it's important to check your email inbox or SMS for a message from Tradingview. Make sure to also peek into your spam or junk mail folder just in case the email got filtered out. Once you locate the message, click on the reset link or follow the SMS prompt to be directed to the password reset page. Here, you'll need to enter your new password. Make sure it's something secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for added strength. Be sure to confirm your new password by typing it again in the designated field. This helps prevent any typos or errors that might otherwise lock you out again. Once you've confirmed your new password, you're all set. You should now have restored access to your Tradingview account, armed with a freshly minted password that helps keep your account secure. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes the process straightforward and hassle-free for you. Don't hesitate to reach out for more tutorials and support, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this.